Hey guys, assalamu alaikum. This is your girl Saher. Welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are doing well. This is a sort of very quick get ready with me. I am going to a wedding and I have to dress up, so I thought let's do a get ready with me for a nikah function. And this is what the outfit I'm wearing. I will show you the whole outfit, but I'm in a hurry, so let's get started with the makeup. And the lighting is all over the place, so forgive me for that, but I will make things right really soon. So right now let's adjust with this, and then later we'll do whatever it is to do. Right, so I have tied my hair and I have made my hair look very messy. So let me first tone my face. I'm using Pure Sense Pink Guava face toner. I will be going in with this Glow Shot face serum. I have reviewed all of these products on my channel, so you can check them out, and I will leave the links in the description box. I'm using is Colleen's Glow Sleeping Mask. I want really good hydration. इस प्रोडक्ट का रिव्यू मैंने नहीं करा है, बहुत जल्दी करूँगी. You guys, so my face is prepped, and now I will use my favorite primer, which is Color Bar's Perfect Match Primer. This is a silicone based primer, so I have a lot of textured skin and this will work really well for that. I will do my brows. I am using Benefits Precisely my brow pencil in the shade dark medium brown. Where's my mirror? So I've filled in my brows a little bit darker. That's because वो थोड़ी देर में settle हो जाएगा और light हो जाएंगे. I'm taking an angular brush and spreading the product properly so that अगर pencil के strokes भी हों तो वो ठीक से blend हो जाए. After that I will go in with a concealer on the back of my hand and cover my brows. Just like that. Fingers से थोड़ा उसको blend कर रही हूँ. So I'll be taking a concealer brush, taking some product and packing my under eyes. I am going to be doubly concealing it only because I have dark circles and I don't have time to do orange corrector. The concealer was from LA Girl Pro Conceal. It is very important for me to conceal it, otherwise it will show a lot. Then I am going in with this Swiss Beauty Satin Finish Foundation Stick in the shade 03 Warm Honey, and I will do it really quickly. I didn't have the time. To blend all of this, and I'm using Mars का brush, the travel compact brush. ये इसका review भी channel पे है, तो go ahead and check that out. You're giving me wind and rain. With makeup, you guys, you need to trust the process. And there are no rules to makeup. Baby, you get me I am taking this sponge and spritzing some setting spray. I'm using Urban Decay's All Nighter setting spray and gently just gonna push it so that if any streaks were left, they will be gone. So I'm just pushing in the product that much. Now I will go in with my cream blush. So this is from Rare Beauty. The shade name is Joy. It suits my outfit kind of. So let me just go ahead and use that. I'm using the Swiss Beauty brush, by the way. ब्रॉन्ज़र कर लिया है. आई यूज़ पाउडर ब्रॉन्ज़र. मैंने ये 02 डी वंडर फ्रॉम शुगर यूज़ करा है. आई डिडंट गो इन विद द क्रीम वन. आई डायरेक्टली यूज़ दिस सो दैट इंस्टेड ऑफ सेटिंग इट विद अ कॉम्पैक्ट पाउडर इससे ही मैं फेस को सेट कर लूँ. वैसे ही चिजल्ड भी हो जाएगा, लाइक इट विल चिजल माई फेस एज वेल. आई डिड दैट. नेक्स्ट आई एम गोइंग टू बी यूजिंग माई फेवरेट पैलेट from Huda Beauty. This is the Rose Quartz palette. I am going to be doing a very simple dimple makeup look. I'm taking a big flat brush. I am going in with the shade Gratitude from this, and I will be placing it all over my lid area. The next thing that I'm going to be using is this shade called as Quartz, and applying it on my lid in the center. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me just like that. And I will be using this shade called as Cosmic Love, and packing it in the outer corner of it. It's a very beautiful dual chrome shade, not crochet. So that is done. Now what I will be doing is taking a small little brush like this, pencil brush, and going in with the shade called as Energized, and placing it in the innermost corner of my eye. I'll be taking in the big fluffy brush and going in with a bit of arrow and deepening it. जहाँ पे भी मिस हो गया है उसको मैं build कर रही हूँ. Done. This is how it's looking like. My eyes look like really pretty. Then I'm going with Kat Von D's tattoo liner and draw a wing, very slight wing. Don't say wing. That's there. We'll be taking in this brownie muddy shade and just smoking out the line a little bit. Next, let's do mascara, and mascara is from the brand Ilia. जो प्रोडक्ट्स अवेलेबल हैं इंडिया में मैं उनको लिंक कर रही हूँ, तो डोंट वरी. So next I am going in with chestnut from Wet n Wild. I'm lining my lips so lightly. So with that done, I will go in with my favorite lipstick, which is from Too Faced. This is in the shade Sell Out. I'm using this liquid highlighter, just tiny bit. Makeup is almost done. Now I am applying a lip gloss. This is from Fenty Beauty. I'm done. Just slightly brushing over my brows. Then I will go in with my spoolie too. Blush all in. I'm going to be setting my face. So I've done my makeup look. This is how it looks like, really pretty. I am going to be going to my mom's place. My jewelry is down, so yeah,